your girl.
Huge hair.
Just imagine.
If you're married to an African man, trust me, you cook all kinds of soup.
I was like, it's our kitchen,
Period.
and it's our food,
Period. We look like chefs. Wow. Well, today I'm not the star of the show. Okay, we have a special guest. Hey guys, welcome back again to our channel. The name is Jeannie. Anyway, I'm excited for today's video, and we have
Theresa.
Hey Theresa.
Hi guys.
Okay, this is going to be interesting. I know, it's already getting very hot in here, but today we have my sis Theresa here. She's about to cook, okay? What are you about to make?
Fried rice.
Yes, honey, fried rice. Of course, we have our aprons on.
It's pretty.
I know, it's so colorful. What do we start with? Where do we start from? Of course, we are going to wash our hands because I know people will come for us if we don't, and then we get our ingredients. Right?
Yep.
She's actually my dance partner. I don't know if you guys remember the surprise party we had for Francis. Yeah, she was a beautiful woman I was dancing with, and people were like, wow, you guys can dance. I was like, yeah, we dance. Okay, so Theresa, can you show us the ingredients we need for our fried rice and chicken?
Okay, so this is fried rice, and you can use any kind of vegetables or anything you want. Some people add shrimp, chicken, other stuff, but this is our kitchen today.
I know.
We use the ingredients that we like.
Correct.
Yes. So we got our olive oil, adobo for seasoning the chicken. We got some ginger, curry powder, garlic powder, and our soy sauce, which is very optional, but I prefer it in my fried rice.
Let me help you. Okay, it's right here. Okay, you can show it to them.
We have our bell peppers, onion. We call it spring onions. I don't know how you guys call it.
Is there another name for it?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Ginger.
Ooh, this is a huge hair.
Just imagine. You got this size carrot.
It's huge, guys. It's so huge and long. Dang, okay.
Oh, my favorite chicken seasoning powder. That's Remy. We got our Maggi
And our eggs.
and our eggs.
5 eggs. We can carry each egg. So yeah, you get the point. Oh yeah, we can use some.
Many ingredients. That's
Right.
our rice.
Oh, do we show the chicken?
Oh,
Why would we do this? Chicken.
that's our chicken.
Okay, so what do we start with?
We're gonna start with our chicken because we use the stock. Before I forget, you can go to the store and buy the chicken stock or the broth to cook your rice. But since we are doing it, we're gonna use the stock from the chicken to cook our rice. So we're gonna start with our chicken. We're gonna wash our chicken just like I'm doing now. We're gonna season the chicken. Mostly what I do is I season the chicken and leave it overnight so I can get more flavor. And if you have garlic too, you can add garlic to it. This is Remy. You can get some at the African market. That's our garlic powder. It's our food, it's our kitchen, so more
I know, guys, nobody should come for us. When we season meat, we want it like very flavorful.
Yep.
I've seen some people really complain about Africans and seasoning. Like, it's our food though.
That's my seasoning for my chicken. Just a little bit of water. Leave the chicken to cook. But whilst it's cooking, we're gonna be cutting our vegetables for the fried rice.
Few moments later.
So we're gonna check on our chicken. It smells
Good.
So you all remember I didn't put any salt. Some of the spices are very salty. Perfect.
What are we doing now?
We are going to cut the vegetables and we are starting with the bell pepper.
Okay, guys, I'm helping.
You can cut it in any sizes you want. And the reason why we are using this kind of bell peppers is we want it to be colorful.
Aesthetic.
Yep.
Seriously, how long have you been cooking? Like, since you were a child? Or...
Yep.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Like, at what age?
I would say 11.
Oh wow.
Yes, because of the kind of job my parents were doing.
Oh.
Yes.
Wow.
My mom was usually not around and my dad always came home late. And I love food too.
Oh well, yeah, I love food. But I didn't start cooking early though. I am the last of 5, so you know it's kind of like a bookworm or whatever. Most of the time we didn't really do a lot. My mom didn't let us do a lot. We usually had like help, in the house because we're 5.
It was so hard though, you know. As a kid, I wanted to watch TV.
So what was the first meal you ever did?
We call it rice ball.
Oh yeah, with what soup?
With peanut butter soup.
I love rice ball. I love peanut butter soup.
That was the first soup I ever made.
I wasn't a soup person. I was like a stew. Yeah, so it's come on, girl. You get married to an African man. Trust me, you cook all kinds of soups.
That is
especially
true.
an Ashanti man. Trust me, you're going to cook all different. In fact, some of the soups you've never even heard of, you're going to cook it. Okay. My mom used to cook a lot. My mom used to like cook for masses, like people. She wasn't a caterer or anything.
Same as my mom.
Yeah, she used to cook for everybody. Like every time we come to our home, there are so many people in the house. She's like giver. She just cook for everybody.
Yes.
The security guards, literally everybody. Do you have any regrets in life? Do you think you ever want to like change anything in life?
No.
No. Wow.
I don't have any regrets.
I wish I could say things.
I hope I don't have one.
That's good. I have the regrets. Okay. I'm a genuine person. When I love hard. When I give all my heart. And yeah, and I feel like people take advantage of that every single time. I won't say it's a regret, but I'll say it's more like something I wish I could.
Yes, sometimes yes. I wish I was meaner.
Me too. Sometimes I wish I was like a mean kid, like, you know, and it's hard for me to say no, so people kind of take advantage of that. It hurts, but it's like, you know, it's like,
part of life.
okay, we've been cutting this for a while.
I know.
We're done. Okay guys, so we are done. We cut all the veggies. It's a lot. Yeah, we're ready for our fried rice.
Going to fry the chicken. Our chicken is done. We were lucky today we didn't have to add any salt because the spices were very salty. We'll be using the stock to cook the rice to give it more flavor.
Looking yummy.
So now we have our stock and we're going to cook the rice. I'm going to add a little bit of water to the stock. It depends on the quantity of the rice. We don't want our rice to be so soft or too hard. The reason why I'm adding the curry powder is to give it some taste. It makes a difference if you add the curry powder to the stock to cook the rice. Okay. When it boils, we'll taste for the salt, then add the rice. I did not wash my rice because the stock is boiled. When you are cooking fried rice, be careful of the amount of rice you are cooking. You can add some more to it. There we go. I'm gonna taste for the salt to see if it's okay. It's perfect. I mostly check my rice like every 8 minutes. I'm gonna close it.
Wow, the chicken. This is so good and it's hot.
Since you guys are in the kitchen, I'll ask you just one simple question. So, what's your biggest kitchen failure?
It was a friend's birthday and I decided to make some fried rice with chicken. You remember that story, right? Yeah.
Oh my
After going through everything, I mean everything, I finished making the rice and I was just transferring it to a different bowl. I don't know how it happened. Everything went on the floor.
She called me. It was supposed to be a surprise birthday and we were running late. So I was like, oh my god, can she even make it? Like she had to like cook the whole thing again. So that was funny and sad at the same time. But she pulled through though. The food was so good. Apart from leaving something on the fire and it getting burned, I went upstairs, took a whole shower. When Randy was here, I took a whole, thank God he was here because he figured it out and turned it off because that would have been bad.
So, what's the most embarrassing thing that has ever happened to you?
I like wigs a lot. If you know me, you know. But in college, you don't have the time to like glue it down and everything. It was so windy. Guys, girls, secure the wig, okay? Guys, my wig just came off.
So what did you do?
Girl, my wig is too weird. I picked my thing. I was gonna leave it. I picked it and I put it back.
Do you remember remember the last time we went to church that the pastor prayed for me and my ring came out. At that moment when I was over it, I was like, should I go out? What should I do? And she said, my ring just went out.
I remember.
That was so embarrassing.
That is embarrassing.
She was my mirror that
Oh
night.
yeah. I remember that
Oh
story.
my god.
Guys, we're checking on the right.
It's too hard.
Okay. So you need a little bit of water or
Just a little bit.
okay.
And we use the foil to cover it up.
Cola chefs.
Oh yeah. It looks good already.
It does.
So, what's the craziest thing you've ever done?
I don't remember.
I was in school back home in Ghana and it was entertainment night. So they were like, each person, each house should give us one person to perform, like we call something crazy dance, some kind of dance. I was just standing in front and everybody started mentioning my name. Teresa. I'm like, no, I don't want to go. So they started playing the song. If you're not crazy, you'll be evicted, right? I was like, and I won. I was so crazy.
Yeah, maybe the craziest thing I've done is maybe sneaking out of the house to go to the club. Maybe that, mom, don't come for me. Daddy, I love you. I'm sorry. If you're watching this, I'm sorry. But yeah.
If you could have unlimited storage of one thing, what would that be?
Money.
I was about to say,
Money.
or maybe love, but money first. Money before the honey.
What weird food combination do you really enjoy?
Actually, I love food, so even if it's weird, it's gonna taste good for me.
Oh yeah, I know people also don't like spaghetti with. It's spaghetti. You cook the spaghetti and you add milk and sugar. Oh my god! Guys, if you have tried it before, comment in the comment section. It is good. What are you talking about?
No. Don't try
No,
this
I
at
promise.
Don't try
It's
this at home.
good.
No.
It's good.
No,
Spaghetti, cooked spaghetti with water and milk and sugar. It's really good. It's time for us to finally fry the rice. That's why it's called fried rice.
With the vegetables, this is what we like in our fried rice. So
Correct.
you can add any vegetables that you like. Cabbage, peas,
Period.
green beans,
Period.
even spinach.
Period.
It's our kitchen.
Period.
And it's our food.
Period.
Okay.
Period. Okay, we are done.
We need the rice to cool down a little bit. You get a clean bowl and it should be dry. But I mostly make a hole in the middle. The rice is not too soft. It's not too hard. It's just perfect. And you all know why it's yellow like this. It's because of the curry powder. We got our oil in the pan.
Okay. Good, good.
I'm excited. With the eggs, you shouldn't be using 5 eggs. You're not going to fry the egg. We are frying the rice, not the egg. Mostly use 2. Thank you. If you do the egg first, the spring onions will last longer. When you are cooking, do not frown, okay? You need to smile. It makes the food nice. Carrots. Guys, can you believe Jeanette has eaten all our carrots?
Oh my god! I did not do that! Well, I did. Oh my.
She did. Now we don't have enough. You can use different kind of seasoning that you want or spices that you want, but I prefer just the Maggi cube. You don't put much in it. At this point, you're gonna add the rice. Before you add the rice, if you want to add different vegetables, you're allowed to, like cabbage, beans, anything else. The rice is basically the last thing to go in.
Why don't you add like chicken or shrimp, or you just like your fried rice plain?
Yeah, you are free to add anything you want. This is just vegetable fried rice.
Next time when I'm trying to make it, I'll add shrimp and chicken. All I know is I am hungry and ready to eat, okay? I've been in the back just giving them moral support. That's why you guys hadn't seen me here, but I was just supporting them from the back. Okay? I love learning people's recipes. People add beans to fried rice.
Yep.
Beans?
Yep.
I've never seen that before.
I've seen some before.
Black eyed peas.
Yes.
What? Exactly. Oh,
Jeanette, give me the carrot.
I'm so done, y'all.
This is the big Coleman soy sauce. So if you don't want to use the curry powder, you can avoid that one and just use this one to give this color just a little bit. What you just said well. That's it. Just leave it on the fire for like 1 to 2 minutes. But you keep stirring.
Period.
Here.
Hey guys, we are back and we are super excited today. Anywho, we are done with the fried rice. Teresa, what you have to say?
I'm tired but excited to eat it.
Of course, we all are. Something amazing happened, you know, like how it works in ways we don't even understand. So finally, we have started our catering service. And it will be called JT, J for Jeanette or Jeannie, T for Teresa Catering Service. Thanks to the hubby for that name. But yeah, we are excited. And all the information about us will be in our description box below. We cook some fried rice, some chicken, we have some dessert, some Ghanaian salad. Okay, so yeah, we are going to end this video here because it's time to eat. Everybody's hungry. The men in the back are like hungry.
Continue to watch Jeannie Mensah. Tell your friends to subscribe for more content, of course.
And also thank you, Teresa, for coming. Okay guys, we're going to eat. We'll catch you. Bye. Why are we waving with that?